we are trying to find the generating helix of this pine cone here, and the way to start maybe is to try to see which of these pines is the most outward. So like you can see that the way it grows, there is a helical way of growing for this pine cone, and you can see that usually for a pine one of them is embedded under the last one, and it's over the next one, or maybe over the last one and under the next one would be the way to think of it. So I'm gonna try to find the pine which is the most outward. So this is the one here. This one, if you can see clearly, this one does not have any outward or inward. They're both out. So this, let's just color it green. And then what's going to be the next helical object? It's going to be this. And then the next one is going to be this. Okay, no, actually the first one is this. So let's call it 1. And then this is 2. This is 3. This is 4. This is 5. And then once we have kind of the base ring all covered. So once we're at 5, we're looking at this one here, which is, we'll call it, let's 6. And then you can see that next one should be this 7. Let's see. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I see, I did a mistake. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then this is the 6. And then this is the 7. Okay. And then this is the 8. This is the 9 here. And then we have 10. Which looks like it skips one of these here. Maybe 11. Okay, so let's check this again. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we have 6, and then we have 7. We have 8, 9, 10, 11. So I'm sure there's some error here because I think we have skipped on one rung of the generating helix, which should be these things here. So we have skipped on one, which means in some part of this pine cone we have done an error in the counting, because as we said, the generating helix isn't extremely clear to find. So 12 or to visualize. And then you have the 13 here, 14 here. So this, I think this would be the next rung of the helix. If we had properly counted, then this would have been the one we'll be working on right now, and then moving back up we would get these ones. And then we have 15 here, and so on. So you can see helical pattern here forming. I hope you can see it. But that's the generating helix.